anauba notice ama Directorate of Education gi amuk thoebako sise extend tawthokrakpane TET ki form submission dako paminase. In continuation of this office notification of event number dated 7 July 2026, it is hereby notified for information of all the concerned that the last date for submission of online application forms for the teacher eligibility test paper 1 and 2 is hereby extended up to 9th August 2026. Eligible candidates may apply through online submission of application forms along with relevant documents following the link provided in the official website of the department www.manipureducation.gov.in or directly going to the URL www.tet2026mendas.com. Date of examinations and the centers of the examination for teacher eligibility test paper 1 and 2 shall be notified later. The notification along with the eligibility criteria, structure and content of syllabus and instruction to candidates are uploaded in the website of the department www.manipureducation.gov.in and also at the URL www.tet2026mendas.com. Date 9 August 2026 fawbada amuk extend tawthorakre aikoina khallisina emika lakpa matam yaure date fix tawrani exam ge na khale du sangtore kana gomba form thajal hawdaba hawji phawba lairagati thajan hawba yare aduga amuk sangdorakani di thajadre duna sita thajan hawpiro